870 days standing hung. Fear and greed index is in 24%, which is extreme fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 47k. Pretty much the same area as was yesterday or 2 days ago. Nothing pretty much changed in a Bitcoin. Also, yesterday we had a pretty small sell-off from 49 to the 46. Again, if you're gonna look at the S&P 500, S&P 500 made a new all-time high, and it was immediate sell-off after that. Pretty much all of the 4-hour time frame candles after that was red, so it had like a -4% sell-off, deep, and you can see there was correlation there on a Bitcoin with the stock market, and I mean it was pretty much actually the same. Yeah, it was not the same. It was like 7%, but you know, it's not comparable a market cap of BTC and stock market. But yeah, the correlation was pretty much the same. So yeah, currently Bitcoin trading at the 47k. Again, pretty much in the same downtrend resistance channel. Still hoping for a breakout for Bitcoin to trade above the 47k, or at least stay above it. So let's move on to the indicators. RSI is looking neutral on a 4-hour time frame. On MACD is finishing the red phase. Volume below the average. Yeah, current closest support 47k area. Resistance pretty significant, 60k. And the closest small one, if you're not gonna include the downtrend resistance channel, that's a 53k. So on a daily, pretty much the same support resistance. On a daily time frame, we are currently trading literally slightly above the 200 MA, but obviously below the 50 MA. 50 MA is having some cross to the downside, closer to the dead cross each day, pretty much every day, since we are staying below it. On a daily time frame, RSI is slightly oversold. MACD finishing the red phase, currently kind of looking neutral. Volume on a daily is kind of looking average 1. So let's move on a weekly. On a weekly time frame, we are currently trading below the previous open close, below the even November close. So it's pretty bad actually. So we need to have a close above at least 50k on a weekly time frame, or at least 49.5k above it would be pretty nice for us on a weekly time frame. Again, we got like 1.5 days left for the weekly close, so there's time there. MACD on a weekly time frame is currently in the red phase. RSI neutral, volume average. Monthly is still trading above the October open, so it's pretty nice. But even though it's definitely not looking great, but it could be worse. So yeah, monthly is still looking pretty decent, pretty bullish for us. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for the Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is kind of, BTC dominance is kind of going down, trading at the lows, nothing changed there, 40.5%. Even though in general altcoins are pumping, so you can imagine money is coming to the crypto market, but majority of them are coming to the altcoins rather than Bitcoin, since if you're gonna look at the BTC dominance and other altcoins that is pumping like 10%, 5% today. So yeah, let's move on to the news. We're gonna start from Serbia. So crypto owners in Serbia is reaching 200,000 as country regulates digital assets. So Bitcoin is now legal in Serbia. Also, Reddit co-founder and Polygon is launching $200 million Web3 social media initiative. So yeah, it's pretty big start for a new social media company. You can imagine it can be something big. So yeah, obviously hoping for Bitcoin to stay above the 47k, a nice breakout out of the downtrend resistance channel in the next couple of days, maybe hours. We'll see what's gonna happen there. So yeah, to the moon.